Coupling and uncoupling your truck and trailer are essential tasks for any truck driver. Done correctly, they ensure the safety and stability of your load. In this video, we'll walk you through the correct steps and best practices for coupling and uncoupling, making sure both you and your equipment are safe. Before you begin, always inspect your equipment. Check to make sure there is no damage to your trailer. Check for any loose bolts. Ensure that it is in good working condition and the kingpin and the turntable are in good condition and properly lubricated. A quick check now can prevent problems later. Once your trailer passes your inspection, get in your truck and line it up with the trailer. Position the truck so the turntable is in line with the trailer's kingpin. Make sure you're square to the trailer with enough space to move forward without any obstacles. Reverse slowly and carefully toward the trailer, keeping an eye on your mirrors. It's important to back straight, avoiding any angles that could misalign the truck and trailer. As you reverse, the truck's turntable will engage with the trailer's kingpin. You'll hear a clunk sound when the coupling is complete. This sound means the kingpin is locked into place. After you've successfully coupled the truck to the trailer, always check underneath the truck to make sure the kingpin is properly engaged with the turntable. You should also check that the trailer's safety pin has fully locked into place. You can now use the landing gear crank handle to raise the landing gear up to ride height and lock it into place. Ensure you store the crank handle away correctly after doing so. Next, connect the air lines, electrical and braking cables to the trailer, ensuring that the cables lock into place. You can now get in your truck and perform a tug test. To perform a tug test, gently pull forward a few feet to ensure that the trailer is securely attached. If the trailer moves or feels loose, stop immediately and check the connection again. Uncoupling is just as important as coupling. Start by ensuring the truck is on level ground. Set the trailer brakes and turn off the engine to avoid any accidental movement. Lower the landing gear using the crank handle until the trailer is fully supported. But make sure not to raise the trailer up much higher than the turntable. The landing gear should bear the weight of the trailer, but leave enough clearance for the truck to pull away. Next, disconnect the air lines and electrical connections, ensuring the cables are stowed properly and not dragging on the ground. Now, pull the truck forward slowly. Make sure you're clear of the trailer and watch your mirrors to ensure everything is detached properly. Once the truck is free, check to make sure the trailer is stable and that the legs are fully supporting the weight. Always perform a final walk-around inspection after uncoupling to ensure everything is in order. Coupling and uncoupling your truck and trailer safely is a crucial part of your job. By following the correct steps and inspecting your equipment, you ensure the safety of your load and your vehicle. Stay safe and make every connection count.